Factory of 275. So 275, it can be written as 5 times 55. 5 times 55 means 275. So 55, it can be written as 5 times 11. 5 times 11 means 55. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 5, 5 and 11. So we can write 275 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 5 times this 5 times 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.